So in last lab, we have learned about 8085 microprocessor, its architecture and instruction set of 8085. After that, addressing modes, and in instruction set, we have started few data transfer instructions. The first data transfer instruction which we have discussed in the last lab, that is move. Then we have covered MVI, LXI, LDA, LDAX and LHLD, right? So in today's lecture, we will be starting with STA. STA instruction. ST stands for store, A means accumulator. STA means store accumulator direct. So the contents of accumulator are copied into the memory location, right? So what will be the syntax? It is STA. After that, you will have some memory location. For example, we have 25500H. Here, H stands for, H is basically used for your memory location, right? So what this instruction will do, let's suppose the contents of a accumulator is 500. Now 500 will be stored at 2500 memory location after this STA instruction, right? So after the execution of this instruction, the previous contents will be washed away. For example, let's suppose before the instruction, the contents at 2500 location is 100. After the execution of this instruction, the new contents will be 500. The old contents will be washed away and it will be loaded with new contents, which is 500. So this is your STA instruction. Next we have STAX. So here X means, here X is a register pair, right? So the next instruction which will cover under data instructions, that is STAX. Then you have register pair. So what it will do, it will store the contents of accumulator to the register pair. It will store the contents of accumulator into the register pair. So here B, I have used this B register pair, so it will be BC, right? Then we have DE register pair, we have HL register pair. So we have three